I'm Coach Tauren, and today the only equipment you need is a comfortable pair of shoes. We're going to do the calf raise today, and it strengthens the muscles of the calf, which are these muscles back here, and the hamstring. Let's get started. Okay, for the calf raise, I'm going to start from the side just so that you can see what my feet are doing. I want you to remember to keep your core tight so that you're standing up nice and tall. Roll your shoulders back for good posture. What we're going to do is we are going to lift our heel up, putting most of the weight into our toes. We're going to try and squeeze up and lower down slowly. Stand up on your tippy toes, hold it a little bit, and then lower down gently. Like this, lower down gently. Squeeze those muscles as you stand up, press into those toes, and then roll down slowly. One more time. Up, and lower down slowly. For today's workout, we're going to do 4 rounds, 10 repetitions of the calf raise, and in between each round you'll have 20 seconds rest. Let's get started. Remember, you're standing up nice and tall, beautiful posture, so roll those shoulders back, squeeze your belly button into your spine, have a nice strong core, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, squeeze that core, 8, 9, 10. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, squeeze that core, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, squeeze that core, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, squeeze that core, 8, 9, 10. Today we did 4 rounds, 10 repetitions with 20 seconds rest of the calf raise. That strengthens the muscles of the hamstring and the calf. So for today's stretch, we're going to stand. We're going to pick one foot up and prop those toes up so that all of the weight is in the heel. Step one foot back just a little bit. Then I want you to reach down, grab your toes, and then pull your toes up towards you. This is going to stretch the muscles of the calf that we just worked and the hamstrings. And I want you to hold this for about 30 seconds. And then I want you to do the same thing. Step back on that other side, heel and toes up, pull that toe up towards you and hold that for about 30 seconds. You did a wonderful job today, friends. Come back next week ready to soar with plane.